Welcome to Zeb's Auto World. I'm here at the RSD car event. I'm guessing more cars will be coming across because they are old school cars. It's not just police cars, it's just got Mustangs, you got Civics, you got the GDM cars. On that side you got the Chevy C7, C08, C06 as well. Welcome to Zeb's Auto World. I'm here at the RSD car event. It's more in a public car park space, so I was been meaning to come here, and it is early morning, so it's about 7 or almost 8 o'clock. So the show is about till 10. I'm guessing more cars will be coming across because they are old school cars. It's not just police cars, it's just got Mustangs, you got Civics, you got the GDM cars. On that side, you got the Chevy C7, C08, C06 as well. So we'll see how it goes. I am a bit optimistic that it should go well. Not many cars have turned up, so I'll wait for about an hour or so, and hopefully more cars should turn up. If not, or by any chance is a low turnout, it shouldn't be. It should be a good turnout, but if it does, then we've got the RSF car show is happening today, so which is not far from where I live. So hopefully I can go there, do some nice shop, and then hopefully you enjoy the content. So we'll see how it goes here. I'm going to spin the camera around, show you some cars. There are cars coming very slowly, but let's have a look at these cars. There's one iconic 4x4, it's raised up. So that looks quite, unique. So let's just flip the camera and let me show you some cars. So we've got this 07 Corvette, and the one next to it looks badass. I mean, it looks beautiful how it's done up. Let's have a quick look of the engine. I'm sure it's been modified. Looks very nice and clean. I love the stickers and the decals of the United States flag, and then very clean engine. Supercharger as well, so I wasn't expecting that. That's LT4 supercharged. It's got to be crazy fast. So yeah, very nice colour. Love the tail lights. Love how it's put stickers on saying 06. Looks very, very nice. Very smart, clean engine. Maintained to a high standard, so he's an enthusiast of the Corvettes. The one next to is even better. I love the rims on the red one here. That looks very smart. Nicely done. It looks perfectly modified, so I like how he's done it up. It looks very subtle, very aggressive with the wheels. It actually blends. It looks nice with the car itself. So that's a supercharger as well. So they've both been supercharged. It's a 06 edition. Even the interior is a two-tone, which is nice, red and black. Alright, next we've got the old school 300ZX. I'm pretty sure that came in the one of the car shows I went. Maybe not, but very nice and clean. 300ZX. The next one I'll mention is the Datsun. It is. It's a 4x4 here. That looks very unique. It's a 240Z Datsun, raised up with massive tires, and the inside looks very different. It's a stick shift as well, so very nicely done up. Seats, got the sport seats. This is more of a Baja sort of a adventure 240Z pickup truck, or you call it a 4x4. Something unique in California, so very nice setup. Even that's cute as well. Check this out. It's very nice. Some information here. So yeah, very nice Datsun, raised up, the big tires, massive coil springs, and big suspension. I do like it. And then you've got the stock T40Z, which is modified with the twin back exhaust system. This is a 280Z, by the way, and being a stick shift. Very nice and clean inside. I love the exhaust system here. You normally see exhaust, on like a landscape sort of thing, but he done it diagonally, so it looks very nice, and it's all polished up, so nice exhaust. Very clean car. It's got a carbon fiber, trim. That's it. Nice rims and tires as well. But check out the tires on this car. And the wheels, perfect. That's a nice setup on a 280Z Datsun. Very clean, not too heavily modified. Just perfect.
Except this one's interesting because this one has I got it from the original owner. I have the original title, the pink slip, and the purchase contract in the back.
No way.
Yeah.
Nice. This is yours, yeah?
This is mine.
Beautiful, mate. Just
yeah, it's 1977 280Z.
wow.
Fully restored.
You can tell, yeah. It's just been. Can't see no sort of marks on the car. This is brand new.
Yeah. It took a 4-year restoration on this one.
Wow.
And I did it all myself.
Did it all yourself? Wow. That's gotta give it a credit for that. Yeah.
Yeah, and
it is.
The whole car is PPF.
No way.
Yeah.
Wow.
By hand. No, I didn't do the PPF, but the whole car is PPF.
Amazing, man. That's beautiful. This is your daily drive, or do you drive on weekends, or?
Just on the weekends. I don't daily drive, but I can. It has AC.
Oh, nice. Wow.
It has AC.
I love the setup. I love the wheels and the tires.
Yeah.
It's like perfectly just goes well with the car.
Yeah, and then the exhaust. You should hear the exhaust.
Okay, yeah. I just see the exhaust. I thought it looks quite. Yeah, if you want, yeah. So these cars turned up a few minutes ago. CO6 Corvettes. Nice color to it. I love the black and yellow CO6. I thought that would be a carbon fiber hood, which it is. Oh wow, okay. This is the 427 big block. Yeah, carbon fiber hood and a carbon fiber like a vent that goes on top of the engine. So I think that's not one piece. Okay. No, I'm wrong. It's all one piece. Yeah, carbon fiber bonnet. Then you got another 06 here. Not heavily modified, but at stock it still looks amazing. 06. And then you got this 47 which I think looks very decent. Let's have a, oh, we've got this guy turning up, the CO8 here. I think I met him, no, it's not him. But yeah. But yeah, back to the CO6. That's a stick shift. 6-speed manual. C6Z424. So yeah, beautiful. I do love the CO6, sorry. Got a Porsche just turned up here. It's a 964. CO8, two blue ones, beautiful. So you can see just behind me, got the two CO8s. Arcas is a very nice color, like a dark blue. Perfect. So one's a hard top, one's a soft top, but the roof actually comes off, and this is back of the trunk. So this car's been modified because the exhaust systems are like in the middle. On the stock CO8, you see two on each side. So that's been definitely modified for a big exhaust system. And I think it sounded crazy loud when you entered as well. So that's the 06 edition. And then that one is the CO8. So that's like a normal Corvette, and that's a special one. So, but yeah, very nicely modified. So yeah, very nice turnout. I thought there'd be more cars than this, but obviously there's other car shows happening as well. So maybe that's why not many people turned up to the event. But anyway, it's a nice event, nice cars. I met a police officer as well, so he's into his cars. I mentioned about the orange CO8, and he was like, "That's badass." So thank you, officer, for appreciating the car. And yeah, I'm gonna head off. If you enjoyed this content, like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And there's plenty of car shows happening this weekend and the following weeks as well. So yeah, I'm gonna sign out, and I'll catch you later.